is your pork belly adobo. How was your lumpia?
Amazing.
Amazing. Thank you
Amazing.
so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy, okay?
Yep, thanks.
Guys, he's back. What did you get the first time?
I got the loaded lumpia,
Yeah.
and now I got the pork belly adobo.
Oh, so this is your second pork belly adobo?
No, this is a new one.
Oh,
I had the loaded lumpia.
Oh, the loaded
first.
lumpia.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Yung dalawa, they got tired. And now they're very hungry. After 30 minutes of selling, guys, of working, they got hungry right away. And, Kai, how's the siomai?
It's really good.
Shelly, how's your siomai? Good? Ayan guys, napagod po sila kasi nagtrabaho sila 30 minutes.
Michaela? Michaela? Are you trying to try to let's say you flavor in the shop? London?
Have a name for your order?
Okay, here's that loaded. And your regular. Enjoy. Yeah, enjoy.
It's your spam rice. Thank you, enjoy.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. One loaded. And then 2 regular lumpia. Be careful, it's really hot, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, enjoy. Have you had lumpia before?
Yes.
Yes?
Love it.
Oh, thank you.
Love you guys. Oh wait, no. I only got the loaded.
Just loaded? Okay.
Yes.
This is your pork belly adobo. And a regular lumpia. Thank you, enjoy. One dynamite lumpia. And then 1 regular.
Yeah.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Dynamite, no jalapenos.
Yes, ma'am.
There you go, ma'am. Dynamite. And then we have here the regular lumpia.
Thank you.
Thank you, enjoy. Here is your 3 regular lumpia. Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you. Here.
Here's your 2 regular lumpia. Thank you, enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Your pizza order, 1 regular lumpia and 1 coffee peppers, mix and butter and salad.
That's right.
Ayan guys, yung next order natin is 2 loaded lumpia.
But if it's you, there's nothing I won't do. And giving up, there's nothing I won't prove. I'll always stay, 'cause you're too good to lose. 'Cause if it's you, there's nothing I won't do. Nothing I won't do. When it's dark, no, I'll be the light. When it's hard, I'll be.
Hey mga Karolings, ayan guys, meron tayong biniling bagong gadget from Timo food processor guys. I-check natin kung maganda ba siya. Ayan, nagawa tayo ng dynamite lumpia. So magpa-process tayo ng chili pepper. So ayan guys, lagyan natin yung takip. And then ito yung panggiling mga Karolings. Oh, okay. So, ayan na mga Karolings. Oh, wow! Okay, guys. I love this. So, siya mga Karolings, dahil sa konting press nyo lang ng power guys. Madaling na ground yung ating chili pepper. So ayan guys, napakaganda pala nitong hindi rin siya maingay. Guys, I'm not endorsing, okay? I'm just trying etong nabili natin sa Timo na food processor. So far, maganda siya, but hindi natin alam kung magtatagal ba siya. Pero sa first try ko mga karolings, nagandahan ako sa kanya. So, ayan, ganyan siya. Guys. So, maganda mga karolings, tapos napakaliit niya pa, hindi siya maingay. Again, hindi siya maingay mga karolings. And, nabili natin yan sa Timo. And then, yung blade niya ganito, guys. Hindi ko lang alam mga karolings kung kakayanin ito yung carrots kasi medyo manipis ito. Eh, di ba yung carrots, guys, is So, ayan na ang ating finished product. Napakaganda ng pagkaka-process niya. Ang ganda, oh. Tsaka, di ba ganun narinig mo ilang ano lang ako? Oh, wow. Maganda yung pagkakapino niya, mga kalorings. So, ayan. Ganyan ang ating dynamite lumpia. Hey mga karolings, happy Thursday. And guys, for today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo itong itatry natin itong container, food container na binili natin sa Webstaurant, of course. Yung ano niya guys, size niya is full, parang size ng full pan. And then, yung kanyang lalim ay 2.5 inch. Ang kagandahan dito guys, hindi siya masyadong madideform. Kasi minsan guys, nadideform yung ating lumpia sa pagka kailangan natin gumawa ng napakarami at maliit lang naman yung freezer natin. So, minsan nadideform siya. So, 84 yung bali pag 2 layers, 84 pala mga karolings. Tama ba, Jane?
And yung total na nailagay natin dyang lumpia is 130 pieces mga karolings. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!
Gamit natin guys, pang-test, pang-check ng temperature ng ating lumpia. So, itatest natin guys. Kailangan yung ground part is 160 degrees. Fahrenheit. So, check natin guys kung nasa 160 siya. So, makita nyo ngayon is nasa 75 siya ngayon. Guys, so umabot siya ng 190 mga karolings, 193. So, it means lutong-luto yung ating rolling lumpia. Ayan guys. Kailangan lagi tayong safe.